Imagine waking up one morning. You go to order coffee, but there is no cashier. You call customer support, but the voice on the phone isn't human. And when you get to work, you realize something terrifying. Your job has been replaced by artificial intelligence. This might sound like science fiction, but experts say the AI revolution is happening right now. Companies around the world are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. Tools like ChatGPT can already write essays, answer questions, and even help create software code. Meanwhile, image generation tools like Midjourney can create stunning artwork in seconds. And some AI systems are even creating videos using technologies like Sora. So the question is no longer, will AI replace jobs? The real question is, which jobs will disappear first? Today we're going to explore 10 jobs that AI may replace by 2030. And the final one might surprise you. 1. Customer service representatives. If you've ever contacted customer support, you probably noticed something interesting. Many companies already use chatbots. Instead of speaking to a human, you're talking to AI. These systems can answer questions instantly, 24 hours a day. They never get tired. They never take breaks. And they can help millions of people at the same time. Advanced AI systems powered by technologies similar to ChatGPT are becoming extremely good at understanding human language. They can solve problems, process refunds, and guide customers through complex issues. Because of this, many companies are reducing human customer service teams. By 2030, millions of customer support jobs could be replaced by AI assistants. 2. Data entry clerks. Data entry is one of the easiest jobs for AI to automate. Why? Because it's repetitive, and computers are extremely good at repetitive tasks. AI systems can scan documents, extract information, and organize data instantly. What used to take hours for a human can now take seconds for AI. Companies save money, they reduce errors, and work gets done faster. Because of this, data entry jobs are already declining worldwide. Experts believe this trend will accelerate dramatically over the next decade. 3. Cashiers. Next time you go shopping, take a look around. More and more stores are introducing self-checkout machines. Instead of a cashier scanning items, customers do it themselves. And the system is managed by AI software. Major tech companies like Amazon are even experimenting with cashier-less stores. In these stores, cameras and AI track what you pick up. You simply walk out with your items. The system automatically charges your account. No lines, no cashiers. By 2030, many retail stores may operate almost entirely with automated systems. 4. Drivers. Self-driving vehicles are improving faster than most people expected. Companies around the world are investing billions into autonomous driving technology. For example, electric vehicle company Tesla is developing advanced self-driving systems. Meanwhile, robotaxi companies are testing fully autonomous vehicles in multiple cities. If this technology becomes widespread, it could impact millions of jobs including taxi drivers, truck drivers, delivery drivers. Transportation is one of the largest job sectors in many countries, which means AI could transform this industry in a massive way. 5. Basic graphic designers. In the past, creating digital art required years of practice, but AI has changed that. Today, anyone can type a simple text prompt and generate professional-looking images instantly. Tools like Midjourney can create stunning artwork in seconds. AI can design logos, posters, illustrations, and even marketing materials. While creative professionals will still be needed, basic design work may increasingly be handled by AI systems. This means the design industry will evolve dramatically over the next decade. 6. Translators. For decades, translation required human experts. But modern AI systems are becoming incredibly good at language translation. Advanced neural networks can translate text, speech, and even video subtitles instantly. Many people already use translation tools powered by companies like Google. These systems continue to improve every year. As AI becomes more accurate, many routine translation jobs may disappear. However, complex cultural translation may still require human expertise. 7. Paralegals and legal assistants. Law firms handle enormous amounts of documents, contracts, case files, legal research. Traditionally, paralegals spend hours reviewing and organizing these documents. But AI can now skim thousands of pages in seconds. It can analyze legal text, identify patterns, and summarize information instantly. This dramatically reduces the time required for legal research. As a result, many routine legal tasks may soon be automated. 8. Content writers, basic content. AI writing tools are improving rapidly. Systems like ChatGPT can generate articles, summaries, scripts, and marketing content. Businesses are already using AI to create product descriptions, blog posts, and social media captions. This doesn't mean writers will disappear, but the role of writers is changing. Instead of writing everything manually, many professionals will collaborate with AI tools. 9. Accountants, basic tasks. Accounting involves many repetitive processes such as bookkeeping, tax calculations, financial reports. AI systems can analyze financial data much faster than humans. They can detect errors, predict trends, and automate complex calculations. Because of this, many basic accounting tasks are becoming automated. However, strategic financial planning will still require human experts. 10. Factory workers. Manufacturing has been automated for decades, but AI-powered robots are making factories even more efficient. Advanced robots can assemble products, inspect quality, and transport materials. Some of the most advanced robots are being developed by companies like Tesla. One example is the humanoid robot called Tesla Optimus. These robots are designed to perform repetitive industrial tasks. If robots become cheaper and more capable, factories could become highly automated. But here's the important truth. AI won't just destroy jobs. It will also create new ones. Throughout history, new technologies have always changed the job market. When computers were invented, many old jobs disappeared, but entirely new industries were created. The same thing will happen with artificial intelligence. Future jobs may include AI engineers, prompt engineers, AI ethics specialists, robotics technicians. In other words, the future of work isn't about competing with AI. It's about learning how to work with it. Artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful technologies humanity has ever created. It has the potential to transform industries, change the way we work, and reshape the global economy. Some jobs may disappear, others will evolve, and entirely new careers will emerge. The people who succeed in the future will be the ones who adapt, learn new skills, and understand how to use AI as a tool. Because the AI revolution isn't coming someday, it's already here. So the question is no longer if AI will change the world. The real question is how fast it will happen. Tools like ChatGPT and image generators like Midjourney are already transforming the way we work, create, and communicate. And this is only the beginning. In the coming years, artificial intelligence could reshape entire industries, create new opportunities, and completely redefine the future of work. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore the future of technology, AI, and the world ahead, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because the next video might reveal something that will change the way you see the future forever. And if you're curious about the next powerful AI technologies that could dominate the world, check out the video on your screen right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.